Do you want to know how you can change the font size on your 1xBet account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the font size on your interface of 1xBet. Go ahead and open any type of browser on your PC and open 1xBet.com. Then log into your account. After you log into your account, you can see this type of interface. So what you need to do is click on Settings and you can see over here font size. You can see there are three different sizes, the normal one, medium and large. You can select this and you can see in a while your interface font size will be changed. You can see that this has been turned to medium. Now let's suppose I want it on large. I'll click on Settings. I'll click on large option over here. The page will reload itself and you can see in a while that all your fonts on this site will be turned into large. You can see that the fonts have been turned into large. Now to turn it back to small, I'll just go ahead and click on Settings and then click on the last one, which is the normal one, and all of the fonts will be turned to normal. This is how you change the font size on your 1xBet interface. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.